Hi, I'm Harvey Kronberg. I'm joined by my wife, Michelle. We own Austin Flag and Flagpole. We're going to answer a question that we're frequently asked, and how do you fold a flag to be displayed in a triangular flag commemorative case? We're going to use a 3 foot by 5 foot flag. You start by holding it up with the stars and the blue field with the stars on the viewer's left. You rotate it 90 degrees. You do a fold in half, then a second fold in half. You make sure everything is straight and crisp. Then the person holding the side with the stars simply holds it in place while the person at the stripe end of the flag starts building the triangle, folding triangle over triangle, trying to keep everything taut and crisp, and continues towards the blue field of stars. Then as you get to the end, you tuck the end of the flag in to the side. And then it simply fits inside the triangular display case.